Hello everyone, I would like to show you how to work on the next section part of Bohemian Rhapsody. We're gonna work today on the section part B, which will be page 2, 3 and 4. We'll start with measure 17. Let me play for you first, and also right away just notice that we're not playing this section twice like they suggested for now. So when we come to measure 28, we'll skip the first ending repetition from 29 to 33, and from 28 we go straight to 35, and that will lead us to the next part C. So let me play for you now all the part with both hands, and then I'll show you in details what to work on. So we're counting 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first of all, right away, I want you to pay attention to the dynamics. Extremely important for this piece, which is very emotional. So you start the measure 17 with playing it piano, soft. And play everything legato, please. That's why pay attention to the fingers that I wrote down for you. Then in the next segment from measure 21, you will add up some add dynamics, make it a little bit louder, mezzo forte, medium loud. Crescendo. So this one crescendo, sorry, I played the wrong left hand. I hope you noticed it. So the next part starts with the F on the left. It's measure 25, and this section will start forte. And from here, you go straight to measure 35. That's the ending of the section B. And mezzo piano. Okay, this is the dynamics of this section. Now, the left hand is very simple. Just read accurately the notes. If you look at it, it's a couple accidentals here. Make sure it's D, D flat, C, G, G flat, F, F, E, D, D. Pay attention to measure 27. G, F sharp, F natural, E. Look again at this measure. Fingers 1, 2, 1, 2. And then the ending, it's again repeat measure. If you look at measure 37, it's the same exact movement, grammatical movement. The right hand also, the most important thing in the right hand is to play it legato, connect all the notes, and use the right fingers for that. I'm gonna show you how to play just this segment. The prior section is pretty much simple. From measure 25, so what I want to pay attention is to the beat, because the rhythm pattern here it's much more complicated than the prior ones. Let me give you the beat first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So this part now. And straight here again in measure 35. The rhythm is again a little bit more difficult. Let me play for you this part with the right hand. So make sure you play B flat in these two measures, measure number 37 and 38. One more time, I'm playing this part, the right hand. I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna play just from measure 25 with both hands again, extremely slow. And go jump straight to 35. So my strong suggestion is to work on this section a certain way. You start with the right hand and make sure you read everything correctly, checking the notes, the accidentals, and the rhythm pattern. Then you'll go through the left hand, and then you're putting it together by small segments, maybe like 2-3 measures together. And when you feel strong, you can put it all together, all this section B, and start focusing on the dynamics that I wrote down for you. Again, piano, again it's mezza piano, then you do crescendo, measure 25, forte, and then you go at the end to measure 35, where you play mezza piano, you increase the sound, crescendo to forte. So right now work on this section, and then next time I will show you the next section.